Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Reinhard Almer Fabrizio and my last MPM is 070. Today I'm going to talk about my BMC or Business Model Canvas, also my TAM Samsom. To opening this one, BMC is one of the most important thing to have when you want to make a business. That is why today we're going to talk about what is BMC and from my point of view or my business point of view, what is my BMC. My business is Sephora. It's a digital apps that talking about financial and how to invest in gamification mode. The first one, we're gonna talk about from the front stage or who or why. We're gonna make from the customer segment. From customer segment, first we look at who are we gonna serving, who are our gonna be customer. In this one, I make three of the most point in the customer segmented. The first one is collegers or the ones who already graduate. The second one is internet user that are 18 and 30, also a young entrepreneur or young workers. First, let's look who are serving. Sephora target a younger generation, especially student and colleger. An internet user age 18 to 30. These young worker who are gonna use and know how to maximize the use of the internet. The second one, because we already know who is our customer segmented, we're gonna move and jump to this section. This one is value proposition. Value proposition is something what we're gonna give to the customer, something what our product or our business have, and we're gonna introduce to our customer. For this user, Sephora use three point of view. The first one is education platform with the interactive money and financial gamification. The second one is how we gonna learn to know how to invest in money with playing games. And the last but not least is an easy access investment with the safe and also regulate with OJK. For this user, Sephora offers an interactive financial education platform. Unlike boring textbook or usually we know like apps like Bybit or Reksadana that is really boring, we introduce something like Gen Z love, something like Gen Z want to have. Also, after we know what our customer segmented, what our value proposition, we're gonna move to the channels. What is channels? So channels is based on how we gonna introduce our apps to the customer, how we gonna reach to our customer. The first one is we gonna reach with the apps itself, the apps of Sephora. We're gonna introduce the Sephora from Play Store and App Store so everyone can access it. Also, we're gonna use media social. So if we're gonna use media social, we're gonna make a lot of segment. Also, people will know what is the best and what is Sephora. Also, customer service, so people know what that we are an important and we're gonna reach a lot of people. And the last but not least is paid ad. So we're gonna make an ad that is paid, so like Google Ads and something like similar to gain more customer. After we know the channels, we're gonna move and jump to the customer relationship. This box tells about how we as a business gonna reach and gonna talk with our customer. Because imagine when you're gonna make a business and you doesn't have the relationship between your customer and the business. Once they download the apps, we retrain. We're gonna make them to love our apps with basic 3 points. The first one is educational chatbot and notification personal. So after several times, we're gonna chat with our customer service to the personal. Also, we're gonna have customer service digital, so it's like an AI especially. And the last but not least is loyalitas program and gamification. So if our customer love the product or our customer use the product recently or regularly, we're gonna give a lot of benefit from our apps. Also, we're gonna move and jump to the revenue stream because we know, guys, if a business doesn't have the revenue stream, it's gonna be collapse, it's gonna be down. That is why in BMC we're talking about the revenue stream. There are three main points also. The first one is freemium. What we're talking about freemium? Freemium is when we're gonna make an apps that is especially free for several function in the apps only. So everyone can reach the apps and everyone can use the apps. But for the exclusive function from the apps, we're gonna make it premium. So if someone already love the apps and already want to use the apps, they gonna pay our apps and gonna give the benefit to ourselves. Also, ads and sponsorship, especially because we are a digital apps, we're gonna have ads and sponsorship. And also komisi or mitra. Mitra is like stockholder and working together with another business or another university, because our main point is university student. We can work together with a lot of university, especially because we're coming from Lampung province. We can work together with UNILA or University of Lampung. After we know the revenue stream, we're gonna jump to the key resource. What is key resource? Key resource is something what we already have and we want to introduce to our customer. What we have the most point in our apps. The first one is mentor. Mentor is the one who already know about the financial education. So in the apps, it's already being a financial education. Also the server, it's like a regular server. There is cloud, database, and system privacy that is introduced. Also, educative content. What is educative content? Educative content is the one that we already make in the social media to introduce our apps to a lot of people. Imagine when you have a social media, especially financial apps, but you doesn't have the educational content. That is gonna be a big problem. That is why in the key resource, I introduced this one. After we know the key resource, we're gonna jump into the key activities. Key activities is something that we gonna do in the apps. What we gonna do and what we gonna introduce to our customer. The first one is upgrade our technology and also refresh our system every month, every week, every day is a complaint for the customer, so we know how we handle the problem. Also, education and literacy of finance digitally, and the last but not least is marketing and collaborate with stockholder that is talking about finance. After we know the key activities, we're gonna jump to the key partner. We know key partner is one of the most important thing we need to have, because we're talking about our customer segment that is colleger and a young student. We're gonna have university as our main key partner. After we gonna talk about and have a good relationship with the university, we can jump to the regulation. The regulation in Indonesia especially is Otoritas Jasa Keuangan or OJK. That's the one who gonna talk about how the finance working in our country. And the last but not least is professional financial mentor. Because we know when we're talking about financial education, we need someone that already professional. After we know everything from this one, we're gonna have one small problem, that is cost structure. We know when we're gonna make a business, something that came up in our mind is what is the cost, how much we gonna pay. And this is gonna talk about the cost structure of our apps. Because our apps is a digital base, we know the first one is upgrade and how we manage the server, the AI, the hosting, the database, and etc. The second one is, of course, wage for the developer, because this is still a small apps that is developed by 3 people. The developer gonna be the one that developing and have the wages. So we doesn't have anymore or a lot of people in the employee category. The second one is social media campaign, and the last but not least is marketing, promotion, and also collaboration with especially a lot of my mitra. After we know the BMC, we're gonna talk about the TAM Samsom. What is TAM Samsom? This is the one that is TAM Samsom. TAM is for total address market. SAM is for serviceable available market, and SOM is for serviceable obtainable market. Imagine like this one. Imagine TAM is the dream. It's the dream that you want to get. It's the dream that how many customer that we can get from our application. How many dream that we can get from our business. Imagine TAM is like your dream. The SAM is for the reality. We know that we make the Sephora in Indonesia. So the reality, we're gonna get Indonesian collegers, right? And the SOM is for the target. So the sum is for especially or special target. After we know the term sum, we have a maybe a more accurate education and financial education. How many student or how many player that gonna play or gonna use our apps? First, our term. We are looking at massive population internet user. In Indonesia, around 18 to 30, almost 10 million people use internet. Imagine 10 million people use the same apps. It's gonna be a really profitable, right? But we know, according to recent data, this demographic responsibly of 60 to 70 million people around the world, and it's more. It's only based on Indonesia. After we know the term, we know the dream like 10 million, 60 million, 7 million. We know it's really good dream. But we're gonna focus on the sum first, the reality. What happened in our reality? Narrowing down with the sum, we focus on especially active university student. We focus on active university student in Indonesia especially. Based on PDD IKT data, there's especially 10 million people that active in university student in Indonesia. So after we know the term is maybe around 60 to 70 million people that around 18 to 30, we're gonna move to the sum. The sum is only about 10 million people that actively a student. After we know the sum or the reality, we're gonna jump to the most small one, the sum or the target. Finally, our sum, we are targeting a realistic market because we know we are a new product, a new business that introduced to the market that already have a big market. So our first year, we plan focus on student, especially in Lampung or in Sumatra. But focus on the first years only, we're gonna focus on Lampung or our province. After I calculate and know the data from our province, and especially we're aiming to capture around 150,000 students in our province only. So that means from our sum, we know we get around 1.5% of a digital value or digital market that gonna coming to our world. After now, because imagine the sum like a really good flow and imaginer line. The thumb is for the big one. The thumb is for your dream. The sum is for the specific one. The sum is for your target or the reach or the reality what happened in our country. And the sum is the reality, the target that happened in our Indonesia. That is my introduction of Tam Samsom. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.